Yes, this time around it is not password. Recently, we made a video about using the shortcut to lock your apps on your iPhone just by putting locks on the apps on your iPhone. And this one is Face ID. We are improving every single day. So subscribe if you're new to this channel, and also like the video for me because it really helped me. So that video will be in the comment section or on the screen if in case you want to watch that video. So let's start with this one right here, how you can just lock apps. Just any apps on your phone with Face ID. Let's start. So this time around too, we are using shortcut to lock our apps with Face ID. So just go to shortcut. When you open shortcut, look down here, we have automation. Just tap on automation, and when you come here, just tap on create personal automation. When you tap on it, just scroll down and look for app. Okay, look for app right here and tap on it. When you tap on it, it will bring you to this side, and you can see right here we have choose. Tap on choose. Okay, tap on it. When you tap on it, just search for the app that you want to lock. So let me lock some of this app: camera, Chrome, and let me lock Facebook. And then tap on done at the top right corner. When you tap on it, it will bring you to this side again, and make sure you are at this side. Okay, you should see it's open. Just select this one instead of it's closed. Okay, select it's open right here. After that, tap on next at the top right corner. When you tap on it, it will bring you to this side. Tap on add action. Okay, tap on add action. When you tap on it, then search for timer. Okay, search for timer right here. So tap on this one, start timer. Okay, and then when you come here, right here, you can see we have minutes. Tap on a minute and then change it to seconds. And then also you can see at the back of the seconds we have 5 here. Just tap on it and make it 1. Okay, so start timer for 1 second. Okay, after that you will just tap on next at the top right corner right there. Just tap on next, and then you come to this side. Make sure you turn off ask before running. This side, just turn it off, and then just tap on don't ask again. So after turning this off, at the top right corner you can see done. Just tap on done. Okay, so we are done with the shortcut. Now the second thing is go to your clock, tap on clock, and then look down here and tap on timer. Come to timer and tap on this when timer ends. Okay, tap on this one right here, and when you come here, just scroll down to the bottom, and then you will see stop playing. Make sure you just tap on stop playing to select that one. So select stop playing right here, and at the top right corner you will see set. Just tap on set. After that, just go to your home screen, and then the app that we lock, let me try one to show you right here. So when you tap on the app that you lock in your shortcut right there, your phone will just lock completely, and then will ask of Face ID. So let me show you right here. So when I open, camera is open now, and you can see it just turned off. Okay, it just turned off. So let me try once again to see. So anytime the person tap on it, in 1 second it will lock. Okay, so this is how you can just lock apps on your iPhone. So unless you provide your Face ID or password, your phone is locked and the person will not get access. So at some point and you don't want to lock the apps again, just tap on shortcut. It will bring you here. Just go to automation again, and then you can see we have the one that you just added. Okay, just tap on it. You see this pop up, and then tap on this right here. So enable this automation. When you just tap on it, it will just turn off, and then tap on done at the top right corner, and then it will be disabled. So as you can see, we have disabled right here, and then you just disabled right here. Anytime the person tap on your camera, nothing happens. So give it a try and comment back to let me know that it's worked for you. Thanks for watching. Stay alive, and I'll see you in the next video. Also check on the screen for more videos from here, and I'll see you again. Bye.